What's up everybody, it's your boy SkittleFabs. Today we're gonna be talking about the starter. Now, I didn't have any noticeable issues. I started up, no problem. Come here. And then I pulled it out of my driveway. I decided to go get gas. I finished and got into my Caliber. And then for some odd reason, I had this really bad like grinding sound. And I was like, what's this? What is wrong? And I decided to bring it home. Now, this is the video of basically what happened to my Caliber when I shut it down and restarted it. Now mind you, started my car up this morning. The first time it started up fine. I drove to the gas station literally like 300-400 feet. I stopped, let it run, and then I shut my car up like this. I got out, I pumped my gas, came back in, and yo, no joke, listen to this shit. So bad, so bad. And when I took my starter out, I realized that I had a lot of issues with my flywheel. Come to find out, my starter shit the bed on me. I think that's it. I think that's the issue right there. Yo, straight up. I really do. I think that might have popped out from there. Whoops. But yeah, I think that's it. I think I need the bearing inside of the starter was shaking around because it dislodged itself from inside the housing of the starter. This is the reasoning. See that bearing right there? That bearing's actually supposed to be sitting right there above that pin right there. So I ended up having to go through Dodge and buy a brand new one. And that is what is in here. So, there's my brand new OEM starter. And the number for it is 05034555AA. That cost me about $125 plus the $55 core and then $60 overnight shipping just so I can get to work. I got the starter back in, which is that beautiful looking thing down there. So that's 100% put back together. Now I'm gonna go start it. Hopefully it doesn't sound like it did earlier. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. I'm just gonna do that again because I want to flow the fuel to the rail. Oh, you guys. So there it is, you guys. That's an easy fix. If you got that clunking noise going on when you go ahead and turn the ignition, it's your starter. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a comment down below and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Be easy, guys. Stay tuned. Peace.